Hello guys, I am Jasmeet and welcome to Blogging Unplugged Clips. On this channel, you will find bite-sized videos from our main channel, Blogging Unplugged. If you are not into those hour-long videos, then this channel is for you. And if you find the content helpful, then make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the post notification bell. And with that said, let's dive into the video.
The next topic that we are going to discuss is the retaining of styles when transforming blocks. Now, if you have been using WordPress, then you must be familiar with the fact that when you transform blocks, like you're converting a paragraph block into a heading block or a heading block into a list block, then that block will lose all of its styling. Now this has changed in WordPress 6.0. Now let me first take you to the WordPress 5.9 and transform a paragraph block. I've created two identical posts right over here, one in WordPress 6.0 and one in WordPress 5.9. So let me just transform this paragraph block into heading block, and let me show you what happens, and then we are going to discuss the change. So to transform this paragraph block, let me just click this and click this to heading. Now you see the background color is gone. So this is what happens when you were transforming blocks in before basically the WordPress 6.0 update. It will lose all of its styling. Now this has changed. Now what happens is when I will try to transform this block into the heading block, it will retain its styling. You can see the bold is right over here and the background color is still there. So this is an interesting change, probably one of the changes that I most like in this update.
Now I hope you have found this video helpful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to this channel. Also, the links to our socials are in the description box below. Make sure to follow us on other platforms as well. And with that said, I will see you in the next video.